We believe in we, not I.
We see opportunity in each other and everywhere.
We are members.
Sisi ni wamiliki.
We are family.
Sisi ni familia.
We enable individuals live better lives.
We are built for you and by you.
We are masters of our destiny.
Tunarejesha hisani.
We never stop dreaming.
We are leaders. Life changes.
We enrich the lives of the people and communities.
We create opportunities for all.
We believe in social and economic transformation.
We honor the individual. We celebrate the collective.
We believe in the power of numbers.
Sisi ni kikosi thabiti chenye maono sawa.
We put people at the heart of all business.
Our business model advances sustainable economic and social development.
We are building a better world.
Together.
Pamoja.
Pamoja.
Together.
We are cooperatives. Cooperatives. Stronger together. Join us at Uhuru Park as we celebrate International Day of Cooperatives, July 1st. You are all welcome.